Hello, beautiful people. You are warmly welcome back to the channel, guys. Let me just adjust my camera. I have actually come here to make this video because somebody asked this question, and I think that this question, to answer this question, I need to come on camera to record this video for you guys so that other people who have the same problem can actually get the same answer from me. I don't need to answer everyone by one. This question, I think, is a very important question and a good question and needed to be given attention. When you ask me tangible questions, I will come here, I will sacrifice my time, and I will, even if I have to climb up and come in front of the camera to answer you, I am going to do that. So what is the name? The name is Camel Priest 60. I'm actually going to leave this question on your screen so you can read it yourself and you can see the handle that has sent this question. And the question is, I am starting my own hair business. No, I am starting my own oil business, but the people ask for sample. How to stop that, as it is making me nervous as I work a lot on it? What should I do? What should I reply to them? What should I reply to them? Guys, let me say this. This is very important stage of your business. When I started, I am giving you this, answer based on my experience in the business. When I started my business, the first thing I did was to do the background check and also before making or formulating my product. So after formulating my product, I actually have to give it out for about 3 months to different people to use. They can be family, friends, they can be somebody that you trust, a colleague, a church member. I was using my church members and my colleagues at the time to actually test my product, because without giving out your product, you would not know the standard and the quality, the effectiveness of your product. And then I use myself as well as a case study. So now, after giving out this product, that is what you are going to experience when you are starting a new business, especially the hair growth oil or products. You have to give it out. If you don't have any structure now, if you don't have any professional structure whereby you have tested your product and you know that this is going to work on this type of people, then the only way out is to give sample. But giving out sample, it's not for like just giving, everybody asking and then you are giving out. No, you have to go out there or ask people to give out sample for a particular period of time. Give yourself maybe 3 months that you want to work on this formulation and giving it out to people to try on, to see the feedback and the review. You want people who will give you the feedback or the review. But after this period, when you start selling, when you have made your website, you have now gotten your feedback and you know that, okay, I have now the go ahead to start this business, to start making bigger batch. Listen, do not give sample to anybody, because now you are confident in your product and you know that your product is going to sell. You know that your product is going to give that result that you are talking about when it comes to your product. So do not let anybody, come and tell you to give you, send me a sample before I buy. These people, I can assure you, will never come back. They just want to use you. So you do your own work. So now that if you have not done what I said before launching your product, Now, these people who are coming, if you trust them, giving you a feedback or review, you can give them the sample. You are going to use them as what? How will I call it? A case study or a test for your product. But if you have done this before you launch, or even if you have not done this and you have launched your product and you want to know if your product can work, you are going to lose a little bit of money by giving it out on a small amount of quantity. Get an 1 ounce oil bottle and give out these samples. But if you have done what I've said from the beginning, you don't have to. Another way to actually make people to trust your brand when you are starting your business is to have small sizes. You have maybe 100 milligram or 100 grams against maybe 2 ounces or 50 or 30 milligram. You can have, in my case, I started with 250, but when I started, I saw that no, it was too much to start with, so I came down to 100, and then from the 100, because as I said, some people don't want to waste their money, so they want to try a product. That is why some are asking for these samples. So what I did was I made 2 ounces, which is 30 ml, for those who might not want to invest in your business right now, but they have a little trust and they want to try your product. So with that amount, that small amount, the price is not going to be too much for them. So when they buy, they will not feel, if it did not work for them, they will not feel it much than if they have to spend much money and at the end it will not work for them. So for you to stop these people, this is what you have to do. It's either you have done it from the beginning or you have to do it now. You just have to lose. That's how business is. That's how you're going to grow your trust. That is how they are going to, come back. If it works for them, then they will become your customer, maybe for life. Who knows? So you have to make this choice yourself. If you want to have a loyal customers, people needs to actually test your product. Another way that I do samples is when somebody bought an oil, hair growth oil from me, I will give you a small container, like an 1 ounce shea butter, my butter, hair growth butter, for you to try that as well. That you are not going to pay for. It's a sample, because if you can buy the oil, you might also like the butter. So giving out these actually works for me. Most of my customers comes from giving them sample. When it comes to my cream, especially my cinnamon brightening cream, I give sample out. And because I know my product and I trust my product, they keep coming back to buy the main bottle or the main price of that product. So sometimes you just have to give samples, and there's so many ways you can give samples to make your brand trustworthy, or to make your customers loyal to you. So yeah, that's what I can say when it comes to giving out sample. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like this video, share this video with anybody who might need this knowledge, and I will see you in my next video. Shalom, peace, bye bye.